If you want to know how I made my makeup last from 8 in the morning till 7 in the evening, then keep watching this video. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? If you're new to my channel, my name is Ayesha and my channel is all about makeup. So the past week I had to go for an exhibition where I was a brand ambassador. The name of the exhibition was Auto Mechanica Dubai and it happened at the World Trade Center here in Dubai. So it had all the products and the services that are required for the automotive after industry. So now the makeup part. This was my makeup at 8 in the morning and this was my makeup at 7 in the evening. So now let me show you all the steps that I did to make my makeup last all day long, and I didn't have to actually retouch anything except maybe my lipstick. Other than that, nothing. And I will be sharing all the products, all the details, so keep watching this video. This is a pro tip, and do not rush your makeup right after the skincare or after applying moisturizer. Let it sit in your skin for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you start applying makeup. So after moisturizing, I applied the primer and I opted for the Good Grip primer from Glam, because trust me, after you apply this on your skin, it feels a bit, sticky. But when you apply foundation on this primer, the foundation will not go anywhere. Honestly. So I don't do my eyebrows before the primer because I want some of the primer to settle in my eyebrows as well. So it actually grips the brow product. So now I'm going to let the primer settle into my skin and I am going to do my brows now. For a professional setup, I don't like to overdo my eyebrows, so I will just fill in the gaps that I have in my eyebrows. Now the color correction. I use two different color correctors because I have two different types of pigmentation on my face. For the lighter pigmentation, I use the peach color corrector, which is from ELF. For the darker one, I use this LA Girl Pro Conceal color corrector. For my under chin area and my upper lid area, I used this one. Now the next color corrector. This is the peach shade and I am going to apply it near my lips, especially this side, and my under eyes. I like to blend color corrector with my fingers because I feel this does the blending job better than while the color corrector sets on my skin. I am just going to apply foundation to the rest of my face. I am using the Collection Cosmetics matte foundation. It has a 16-hour wear test. Plus it primes, conceals, covers, smooths, protects and mattifies. The best thing I like about this foundation is it does not settle into my fine lines. That's the best thing about it. So if you want your foundation to last all day, opt for a foundation that has a long wear test. And when applying foundation, don't forget the neck. Now the concealer part. Before blending it with the beauty blender, what I like to do is apply the concealer to the color corrected parts and then blend with the beauty blender. Now for a concealer, I opted for a cream concealer rather than a liquid one because this is what I personally feel. I feel this concealer stays on longer than the liquid one. Now the next step that I'm about to do, it can be a bit controversial because I have not seen anyone do it, but I do this. What I do is I'll take a pressed powder and a puff and I apply it all over my face. What this does is that it actually locks the foundation and the concealer in place. Now this, my friends, is a gem that I found and I am not going to gatekeep it. I am going to show you. This is the She Glam setting spray. It actually locked my makeup in its place and it did not go anywhere. I swear, this product is a gem. If you have the same problem that I do, that your makeup oxidizes, it fades away, this is what you should be getting for yourself. I'm linking it in the description box as well. Do check it out. I'm just going to spray my face with this setting spray. I am in love with this. And it is affordable. That is the best part about it. I know I'm not going in the order that I usually do when it comes to makeup, but this order is excellent if you have to keep your makeup last all day. After the setting spray has completely dried on my face, next I did was apply blush on. And I opted for the lightest shade, which is this, and I mixed it with this pink. Now I'm just going to clean the brush. I'm using the same brush. I don't have a lot of brushes. The same brush with this dark brown to contour my face. Nothing over the top. I want to keep it as minimum and as natural as I can. Now a little on my forehead. A little on my cheeks. Now for the eye, before applying eyeshadow, this is what I did. Press powder on the side, so if there is any fallout, it wouldn't fall on my face. The eyeshadow, I wanted to keep it a bare minimum, but then again I wanted a tiny bit of a color and a little bit of glam. So what I did, I took this palette. This is the Dream palette from Sigma. I took this shade, which is like an orangey brownie shade, and I applied it as a transition shade for my crease. And I did not go all the way up. I did hair like this. Gentle swiping motion, and I dragged it very slightly towards the outer corner. And that's it. Now the same on the other side. So the next shade that I took was this dark brown shade. Woof Woof, I think, yes, it's Woof Woof. And I just took a very little of it and applied it to the outer corner only. And then swiped it all on my lid area, blended some towards the outer side and with the transition shade. Now I wanted to add a bit glam to it, so what I did was I mixed these two metallic shades. So I applied it to the center and took it all the way in towards the inner corner. I'm going to apply the same dark brown shade on my lower lash line as well, this one. With the stamping, I'm not going all the way till the inner corner, I'm leaving it till here. That's it. I took the black eyeshadow from the same palette with an angled brush and just applied it very close to my lash line. So why I basically do this step is because I don't wear false lashes for workplace. So this actually gives my upper lash line a definition. It's just a kohl pencil. Applying it to my upper waterline and the corner of the lower lash line. I'll be mixing two mascaras today. So because this mascara, I feel, the pink one, it gives me the length that I want. Although it says it's crazy volume, and the black one boosts the volume. And that's it. Now I'm just going to clean the powder that I applied for baking. I honestly feel that makeup takes time. It's almost like cooking. If you're going to rush through everything, it will not look good. But if you take every step, give it at least 30 seconds to rest, your makeup will look amazing. Trust me. The highlighter I kept to a bare minimum. I used this highlighter for the inner corner and the brow bone, my nose, the cheeks, the lips, the chin area, lastly the lipstick. the lip liner first. I kept the lipstick to a very nudie bare minimum, so I used this very pretty nude pinky color. This lipstick has been one of my favorite lipsticks of all times because once it actually dries, it does not go anywhere. After the lipstick has completely dried, it is dry, I'm going to apply this plumping lip gloss on the top. And now the last step, which is again the setting spray. Let's spraying it generously. And that's it. I'm done. Let me just do my hair and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I'm done with my hair. This was the makeup that I wore for the 3 days that I went to the exhibition as a brand ambassador. And the makeup lasted all day long. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, do share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.